It will be years before that project becomes a reality, if it goes as planned. The journey to Proxima b will take about 20 years. Is there another planet that's very close to Earth, kind of like us, where there could be a civilization? Yeah, I mean, the closest star system to us, Proxima Centauri, actually has a fairly Earth-like planet around it. We don't know quite how Earth-like it is, but it's called Proxima b. Are we alone in the universe? The searchers have hit the jackpot. This is their dream come true. A new chapter in astronomy has opened up. Imagine this. Scientists just detected something strange coming from Proxima b, and it's not what you might expect. A planet just 4.2 light years away is emitting light in a way that defies everything we know. Could this be a sign of alien technology? Proxima b isn't just another distant planet. It's a real contender in the search for life beyond Earth. Located just over 4 light years away, it's one of the closest exoplanets to our solar system, and it shares some surprising similarities with our own planet. First, let's talk size. Proxima b is roughly similar in size to Earth, which is one of the reasons it has scientists so excited. But here's where things get interesting. While it might seem like a twin of Earth, it's orbiting a red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri, which is much smaller and cooler than our Sun. This drastically changes the environment. Now, the key thing to remember, Proxima b lies in what we call the habitable zone of its star, meaning it's in the right position where liquid water could exist. Water is essential for life as we know it. But while Proxima b might have the right conditions for liquid water, it's also dealing with some major challenges. The most significant is tidal locking. This means that one side of Proxima b is always facing its star, while the other side is in permanent darkness. Imagine living on a planet where half is scorching hot and the other half is freezing cold. These extreme temperature differences could make it harder for life to survive. On top of that, Proxima Centauri is known for its solar flares and intense radiation, which would constantly bombard Proxima b's atmosphere, adding another layer of hostility. So, while Proxima b offers some tantalizing possibilities, it's far from an easy place for life to thrive. Yet its proximity and potential for water make it a prime candidate for further study. Could life somehow survive in these extreme conditions? That's the question scientists are racing to answer. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are the unsung heroes in the search for habitable planets. They're small, dim, and often overlooked, but they're actually the most common type of star in the entire galaxy. And here's why they matter. These stars burn slowly and steadily for billions of years, giving any nearby planets the potential for long, stable conditions. Because red dwarfs are cooler and less luminous than our Sun, their habitable zones, where liquid water can exist, are much closer to the star. This means that planets like Proxima b, which orbit red dwarfs, have a chance to be within this sweet spot for life. The slow, steady energy output of red dwarfs might actually make these planets prime candidates for sustaining life over incredibly long time scales, far beyond the Sun's expected lifespan. But there's a catch. While red dwarfs are stable over time, they tend to be more active than the Sun, frequently emitting powerful solar flares and radiation bursts. These outbursts can strip away the atmosphere of a planet or bombard it with harmful radiation, potentially making it difficult for life to develop or survive. Still, their sheer number and longevity mean that planets in their habitable zones like Proxima b, offer a unique and exciting opportunity to explore the potential for life on distant worlds. In the search for habitable planets, red dwarf stars aren't just an interesting side note, they're central to the conversation. The search for life on Proxima b is one of the most exciting endeavors in space exploration today, but it's also fraught with significant challenges. At the forefront is the difficulty in studying such a distant planet. Proxima b orbits the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, located over 4 light-years away from Earth. To put that into perspective, that's about 40 trillion kilometers, an almost unimaginable distance. Given this vast expanse, simply gathering information about Proxima b is no small feat. One of the primary obstacles faced by astronomers is the sensitivity of the instruments required to study distant planets. Traditional telescopes struggle to gather enough light from such far-off places, and they can't always separate the faint signals from Proxima b from the overwhelming glare of its star. Enter more advanced instruments. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021 to study the infrared universe, and upcoming tools like the Harmony instrument on the Extremely Large Telescope, both of which are designed to delve into these difficult-to-reach worlds. These telescopes offer new ways of analyzing distant planets by detecting light emissions, especially from their atmospheres, which could hold vital clues about their habitability or even the potential for life. But even with such advanced technology, astronomers face another serious hurdle: the nature of Proxima b itself. The planet's proximity to Proxima Centauri means it's subject to intense radiation and frequent solar flares. This radiation bombardment can complicate our ability to study its atmosphere and any potential signs of life. In addition, Proxima b is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. This creates extreme temperature differences that make it even harder to predict whether life could survive, especially on the dark side, where temperatures might plunge to extremes. Despite these obstacles, the potential stakes of the mission couldn't be higher. If Proxima b is found to harbor life, particularly intelligent life, it would radically change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It could answer one of the most profound questions in science: are we alone? The potential discovery of unusual phenomena hinted at by the strange light emissions detected from the planet adds a layer of intrigue. These emissions could be natural phenomena, or they might point to something more extraordinary, like a signal from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. To address these obstacles, scientists have taken a multifaceted approach. First, they've relied on existing instruments, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, to monitor Proxima b's environment and detect any unusual light emissions. The strange emissions detected from Proxima b's dark side, which have baffled astronomers, are being closely scrutinized. These emissions could suggest the presence of unknown phenomena, although they might also be the result of natural processes like volcanic activity or atmospheric distortions. The next step is to focus on analyzing Proxima b's atmosphere in greater detail using more advanced spectrometers and space observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope, which is providing unprecedented views of distant worlds. Looking ahead, the challenges of studying Proxima b will only grow as we seek answers to these monumental questions. The distance will always be a barrier, but with the continuous development of more powerful telescopes and observational techniques, It's likely that we'll begin to understand more about Proxima B's potential for life. It's possible that in the future we could send missions closer to the planet, but for now, astronomers will rely on the tools at their disposal to probe the planet's atmosphere, light emissions, and surface conditions. If scientists do manage to detect life or unusual phenomena on Proxima b, the implications would be enormous. Not only would it prove that life can exist in environments far different from Earth's, but it could also reveal new insights that challenge everything we know about space science and civilization itself. While these discoveries are still in the early stages, the path forward is clear. Keep pushing the boundaries of what we know and continue to unravel the mysteries of Proxima b. As we look deeper into Proxima b, the tension begins to rise. Imagine a planet locked in time, one side always facing its star, while the other is trapped in perpetual darkness. This phenomenon, called tidal locking, brings with it extreme temperature differences. One side scorched by constant sunlight, the other frozen in shadow. The harsh conditions make the possibility of life seem distant, almost impossible. Could life survive in such an extreme environment? Could anything adapt to such extreme temperatures? But wait, there's a release. Proxima b isn't without its mysteries and wonder. Despite the inhospitable conditions, it's possible that the narrow twilight zone, the thin band between eternal day and night, might have more stable temperatures. Here, liquid water could exist, which is essential for life as we know it. This possibility alone makes Proxima b one of the most exciting planets for scientists to study. As we focus on these unique characteristics of Proxima b, we can't ignore the potential impact of its unusual dark side. The strange signals coming from the planet's hidden hemisphere add another layer of intrigue. Could these signals be coming from life, or could they be evidence of unknown phenomena? The potential answers to these questions keep building the mystery, fueling our desire to understand this distant world. While the environment is challenging, the awe-inspiring possibility of what we might discover on Proxima b, whether it's life or other phenomena, keeps us going. And the answers, though elusive for now, could shift everything we know about life beyond Earth. The search continues with more questions than ever. What could we find next? As we dig deeper into the mysteries of Proxima b, one question keeps resurfacing. Could this distant planet be home to intelligent life? The strange light emissions detected from Proxima b's dark side have baffled scientists, raising the tantalizing possibility that they could be a signal, a sign of unusual phenomena, or even an advanced process. Could Proxima b be the place where we first detect evidence of extraterrestrial activity? The implications are staggering, and the search for answers is just beginning. Let's get into the mystery of these unusual emissions and what they might mean for the future of space exploration. Get ready for some groundbreaking revelations that could change everything we know about life beyond Earth. Studying Proxima b presents significant challenges for scientists. Its vast distance, over 4 light-years away, means that even the most advanced telescopes struggle to provide clear data. This immense distance makes it difficult to capture detailed images and analyze its environment in real time. To make matters worse, Proxima Centauri, its host star, is a red dwarf known for emitting strong radiation and frequent solar flares. This activity can distort or obscure the signals scientists rely on to study the planet, adding another layer of complexity. Current technology, while groundbreaking, isn't quite up to the task of fully unraveling the mysteries of Proxima b. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope are powerful, but they still have limitations when it comes to observing such a distant and unpredictable target. To gather more accurate data and possibly detect signs of life, astronomers will need even more advanced technology, like the upcoming Harmony instrument on the Extremely Large Telescope. These tools could give us a clearer view of Proxima b and bring us closer to answering the big question: is there life out there? As the search continues, overcoming these technological barriers will be crucial for future discoveries. The more we learn, the closer we get to potentially groundbreaking revelations about Proxima b's habitability and what secrets it might hold. One of the most captivating discoveries about Proxima b has been the detection of unusual light emissions coming from the planet, particularly from its dark side. These emissions have intrigued scientists because they don't fit with our current understanding of natural phenomena. Instead of being caused by the planet's star or typical atmospheric processes, these emissions could potentially be the result of something entirely new. Why does this matter? Well, these strange light patterns could indicate the presence of unknown phenomena, a possibility that would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. If these emissions are not from natural sources, it would suggest that Proxima b might host unique processes or features we haven't yet discovered. Imagine the implications. What if we've just detected the first clear evidence of something extraordinary? Even if the emissions turn out to be natural, they could still reshape our ideas about exoplanets. This discovery opens up new avenues for research, suggesting that Proxima b may have hidden characteristics we haven't yet discovered. It's a reminder that space is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the light emissions from Proxima b could be one of the most important clues in the search for life beyond Earth. What could we learn if we found life on Proxima b? The discovery of life on Proxima b could change everything. It would challenge our understanding of biology, the conditions necessary for life, and the potential for intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. Imagine unlocking the secrets of life forms that have evolved under entirely different circumstances on a planet with extreme conditions. What could that teach us about our own existence? The implications would stretch far beyond biology, influencing everything from technology to philosophy, reshaping how we think about our place in the universe. But what if these strange light emissions are more than just a clue about life? What if they hold the key to understanding the future of humanity's search for extraterrestrial intelligence? The next steps in observing Proxima b involve launching more advanced missions and utilizing cutting-edge instruments to gather deeper insights. Upcoming space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, alongside new technologies such as Harmony on the Extremely Large Telescope, will be pivotal in analyzing Proxima b's atmosphere, surface conditions, and any signs of life. These tools will help overcome current limitations, allowing scientists to detect and study the planet in unprecedented detail. The aim is to unravel more about its habitability, the potential for water, and whether it could harbor life, bringing us closer to understanding one of the most exciting exoplanets in our galaxy. Proxima b is one of the most fascinating exoplanets discovered to date. Located just over 4 light-years away from Earth, it holds the potential to reshape our understanding of habitability beyond our planet. From its proximity to a red dwarf star, to the mysterious light emissions detected from its dark side, Proxima b could be harboring clues to the existence of life or unique phenomena. While the challenges of studying such a distant world remain significant, the future of space exploration and technological advancements offer hope for uncovering more about this enigmatic planet. As we continue to explore the potential for life on Proxima b, the next steps in our observations could bring us closer to the answers we've been searching for. The mysteries of Proxima b are far from being solved, but the possibilities are endless. What if we truly discover life out there? What if Proxima b holds secrets about the origins of life itself? Stay tuned as we continue this journey of exploration. The answers may be closer than we think.